everyone, greetings to all. Welcome to the channel My Graphic Studio. I am a graphic designer and here is a new tutorial in which we are going to draw a Google Chrome logo. And this is the workplace that I am going to work on. I'm simply starting with just drawing a circle. Trying to place the circle in the center by using an alignment tool, nothing but just for some perfection. Here I select my circle and then take a copy by pressing Ctrl C from my keyboard, and then for pasting I press Ctrl F so that I can paste my copy at the front of my selection. Now I'm giving a white stroke to this small circle because I have to draw one more line by using a pen tool. I am going to create only one shape and then I will take two more copies by using rotate tool. Now this is the main step. I have to place this line very carefully on the line of a circle. This circle, as I have said, I am going to use the two more copies of this design. So even a little mistake could be a problem. Select all, deselect circle by holding shift and click on the circle. Now group the design that we placed on the circle by control G. Now object and expand. Unchecking the fill because my design only contains strokes. Now select the shape, go to the rotate tool and click on the center of a circle. That's how rotate tool works. I am putting the value for an angle of 120 that I need for making two copies from this one. Now here is a question that how we will know like which value of an angle we need to enter for making copies. Okay, as you can see there is a whole angle of 360 A very easy tip, what you have to do, just divide 360 by the number of copies you want to create. Like if you want to create 5 copies, just divide 360 by 5, click copy and see the distance between every shape is so equal. Here is an example, like I want to create 10 copies. 360 divided by 10, and here are the results. So it means if I want 10 copies, then I should select the angle of 36 degree. Let's just see by just drawing a random shape, a circle and a small circle, which I will create more copies that those will revolve around this bigger circle. Align the circle exactly at the top of the center. Rotate to click at the center by holding an alt button. We are selecting the angle of 36 now as our after our calculation. Control D for creating more copies like I'm doing right now. See, all the shapes are distant equally with the same distance and looking good. So that is why I always calculate before selecting an angle. Now let's get back to our logo. Select all, go to the pathfinder and divide. Select the divide one. Ungroup them, and now I'm going to delete these white lines at the top of the center we drawn because they are not needed anymore. I just wanted to separate this circle into three parts that I with the perfect shape that I have got perfectly. Yes, let's just color now. This is the color palette for my artwork, consists of these four colors. The circle in the center with blue color, is the last step of our artwork. Select both shapes and align them, and all done almost. Select all and Ctrl G for group them. Okay, here is one thing, if you have noticed that in my color palette, in those little circles, there were strokes too. Like if I show you ungroup by ungrouping it again, just one shape, see there is a stroke too. Strokes were needed because after the deletion of those lines there were some empty spots. See, that's why strokes were important for filling these spots. So this is all for today. If you like this tutorial, then like my video, and in case if you want to watch more, then support me, motivate me by subscribing my channel, and must give your feedback in the comment section. Have a good day. Bye bye.